Web forms allow you to collect the data your business needs. But aside from capturing submissions, you might also want to export the form entries from your WordPress dashboard. In this video, we'll show you how to export your form entries with Gravity Forms. For guides and tutorials on all things Gravity Forms, be sure to subscribe to the channel. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard and select Import/Export from within the Forms menu. Make sure that Export Entries is selected and then choose the form that contains the entries that you would like to export. Select the fields you want to export and, if you'd like, the conditions that need to be met for the data to be exported. For instance, you could choose to only export form entries in which the user's preferred method of contact is via email. Finally, you can specify a date range, which will limit the export to entries submitted during that time period. If no date range is entered, all entries will be exported as long as they meet the criteria you set. Then, simply select Download Export File to download a CSV file of your form entries. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.